¿Qué tal, amigas y amigos coleccionistas? Bienvenidos a otro video aquí en el canal. Welcome everyone to the channel. Thank you for tuning in to another video. We have factory fresh made by Hot Wheel. We got these three awesome vehicles. We got a Range Rover, a BMW, and a Dodge. So we're gonna check these out. Right off the back, over here you're gonna notice this one is a bit different. It is from 2018, and it is a Zamax. It's a very cool piece that I think my brother hooked it up for me. So shout out to you, to my brother Supa. He hooked me up with a lot of good pieces, so I always have to give him a shout out. Really, if it wasn't for him, there's a lot of pieces that I wouldn't have found on my own. So thanks to you, thanks to anyone else, my dad, and my friends. I'm not gonna say their names because I don't know if they're gonna want to be online and stuff like that. But my brother, I can shout him out because he has an Instagram. Go check him out. He is my brother. So Super the Collector 85, I think, on Instagram. You can go follow him. And yeah, so let's get into it. Today's video. I'm gonna leave the Zamac to the end because yeah, it's a Zamac. Come on, man, it's a Zamac. I'm gonna start with the Range Rover. It's a very cool piece, and as you can tell, they're all gray today. Kind of made a little theme here. Hope you all like. This is a 4 out of 10, and this is a Range Rover Velar. Sorry, got a piece of food in my teeth. Very cool. I love this one off the back, just because it's a very luxurious vehicle. And it has a few things that I appreciate when right off the out the blister, So we'll get into that in a bit. So here is the card, Range Rover Velar. Excuse me, real quick. Got an alarm on my phone. And number 4 out of 10, factory fresh, and it gives you the details. The website, hotwheels.com. Focus, hotwheels.com, where you can have a digital collection as well, so you can see digitally what you have. I've used it in the past. Too much for me to handle, in the sense that there was so many pieces that I've been opening up, that I've been buying. It was hard to keep track. Yeah, I'm a new father, so well, not new father, but I was a new father when I was using that collection on the website, and just fatherhood just took off, and I didn't have time to keep a track on all my collection digitally. So, but it was very cool. I shared my collection with my friends and my brother, just to see where we're at. We all had screen names and stuff like that. I'm not sure if mine was El Salvaje or something like that. I don't remember. Very cool. That's cool from Hot Wheels. I hope Matchbox did it too, but nah, they're not there yet on doing that. I don't know why. But let's get we're sidetracking here. Let's get to this Range Rover Velar. This is an awesome piece. Let me tell you guys why it's awesome, in my opinion. It is a very luxurious vehicle in real life and in diecast form. And I love that it has tampos on the lights. It has the lights there. Those details are some of my favorite. See, and you got some rear lights. Come on, focus. There you go. You get the license plate as well. It says Hot Wheels on it. And we got something of a sticker there. Let's zoom in real quick. Let's see if we can figure this out. Nah, it says Range Rover there in between the lights. And I cannot tell what those stickers are. Like on the bottom of the lights, you get the blinkers also there detailed. And yeah, pretty cool. I like those rims. These rims are awesome. Very cool rims. And this awesome paint job. So just it's a luxurious, elegant, simple, not much detail, but it doesn't need it. Very light. The vehicle is very light. The windshield, the windows are pitch black. They're all painted black, so I'm guessing there is no interior installed or added to it. We got the roof. Let me know if you guys know. Maybe this is a window as well on the roof. So very, very cool. There's the bottom plastic. It says Hot Wheels Range Rover Velar, made in Malaysia. Cool. So there it is, the Range Rover in gray. Let's adjust the camera. There we go. And let's go to the BMW. I was about to say BMX. This is BMW. There's the card. This is a BMW K1500R. I love these bikes. I love bikes. I love collecting them. This is an 8 out of 10. And this one, I'm assuming it's 2019, 2020. If I'm not mistaken. It says factory fresh. High detailed, cutting edge designs. Just get in the driver's seat and prepare to turn heads. And there's the code P3FTU if you want to go online and digitally collect this awesome BMW. Let's crack it open. I wish these came with a little stand right here, pop down, so you can stand them on the you can barely do it, right? Stand them up on the table, but it would be nice to have like a little you know, your little stick there to the realistic ones that you can, like, you know, put your stand up your bike. So what can I say about this one? There's a lot of details on the motor. It's all metal, so most of this bike is metal. You can feel it. It's very, in my opinion, heavy. So very cool. I think the only plastic piece is the handles. Maybe this gray piece, maybe not. I think it's just also metal. So very cool. I recommend you guys picking up these bikes. It's very cool to collect. I have a few. I have Hondas. I have BMWs. What are the? I think I have a Yamaha. I'm not sure. But very nice. There's the muffler also in gray. I'm assuming that this piece is also metal, but just different color. So there's no detail on the license plate, no, and on the headlights, nothing. It's just the fact that it's a bike. It's a very cool, you know, detail to have. These are perfect for if you're, you know, at a doctor's office or you know, just anywhere where you need to fidget with something. It is very compact. It's small, and who doesn't like bikes, man? Motorcycles. These are awesome. So very cool. Highly recommend you guys to pick up these bikes whenever you find them. I'm always finding like the same ones, the same color. I have like this one, and I have it like in white, but the white one I have like 3 times. So yeah, that's the only bad part of it about it, that just buy doubles. So there it is, very, very cool BMW. And last but not least is this beauty right here from 2018. It says right there, the 50th anniversary of Hot Wheels, and you got the logo of Zamak 018 2018 or 016 018 016, and it's a 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Very cool. Also in gray. Let's crack it open so we can appreciate this vehicle. Let it breathe. Let it breathe. We're here to free all wheel kind. Yes, sir. So check this Zamak out. So, if I'm not mistaken, Zamak was made, I don't know for what it was made, but Zamak, I guess, is just like the chrome body with no paint. It's just either chrome or just like basic color of the metal ore that they use when they stamp it out, when they stamp these things out with the casting. And they just like I'm assuming that they do put like a clear coat on it just to protect the vehicle, but it's that simple. There's not much Zamaks that have tampons on it. There are a few I've seen, 1 or 2, or that I have in my collection. I think one of them has like a fire thing here on the side, but I'm not sure if all of them come with tampons and stuff. Most of them are just like this, just bare. This one comes with the tampons on the back, the rear lights, the blinkers there on the side. Very cool. I like that detail. And the wheels, I love the wheels. These these SRTs are super dope. Like they're effing loud on the street, and they're fast. So very cool. Can't tell you much details about the actual vehicle because I'm not that knowledgeable on, you know, performances and stuff like that on the real vehicles and stuff. But one day we'll be there. I like the hood, just pops out a little bit. And yeah, this one's cool. A lot of collectors pick this one up. They don't open it. I know a lot of collectors are gonna be like, why did you open it? Why did you open it? Well, I like opening my cars. And there's nothing wrong with keeping them closed or opening them up. Whatever floats your boat. Nice. I thought the wheels in the back, oh yeah, they are a little bit thicker. You can tell. I just flipped it over and you can tell the wheels in the back are normal width, and the ones in the front are these thin tires that, of course, this is a very powerful car, so I'm guessing you can use it in drag racing and stuff like that. So yeah, that's awesome. That's cool. So check that out. Oh, right here, that little fender, no, not the fender, the bumper in the bottom. What's this called in the front? Let me know in the comments. This is very cool. I like it. Today was something just simple, you know, something luxurious, exciting, and kick-ass. That's how I would describe it in words, and not 3 words, but you know, each one. So that's it for today. Something short, somewhat short, but I appreciate your time. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate the subscription, the like. I really appreciate the comment. So see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for tuning in. Good luck in the hunt. See you in the next one. Bye. Gracias por entrenarte en el video. Esto es algo simple, elegante, y muy chido y perrón. Así es como los voy a describir estos carritos de hoy. Muchas gracias por entonarte en el video. Se los agradezco. Suscríbanse si no lo han hecho. Y dejen un comentario, un like. Nos vemos ahí en los comentarios, ahí para platicar. Y hasta la próxima. Nos vemos. Hasta luego. Bye.